Hello, my name is Heather and I'm the owner of Party Masters. Today we are working on lesson number 5 for our face painting series. This is about stars. So the first thing you want to do, I use a number 2. It's my favorite one to use for stars. Number 2 round brush. Get it wet up to the ferrule, right here. And then put it in your paint. Get a nice consistency. Now for the stars, similar to dots, you want it a tiny little bit wetter than you would if you were just doing regular face painting. This is what mine looks like right before I'm ready to go with it. So for stars, you want to put your brush straight up and down. If you like, put a dot in the middle just at first to help you, and you want to push down a little bit and then pick up. Push down a little, pick up and flick. Pick up and flick. Pick up and flick. Okay, and you can do them of different sizes. You're welcome to do the stars of different thicknesses. That's all completely up to you. I didn't get my brush quite wet enough, so it's not going out as thinly as I would like. Go in all 4 directions, and feel free to put a few together. It looks really nice. And then if you add a few dots, very simply, you can really up a design. So I wanted to show you one of the designs that I use, the rainbow crown, and I like to add some stars and dots to these as well. Just really adds to the design itself. Now if you notice, I'm not going to erase this even though it's a mistake. If you notice that you're getting a little bit too thick there, chances are that your brush is not wet enough. Okay, so I'm just going to re-wet that and then go back over, flick, flick. You see, so there's no need to erase your mistake. You can just go right over it and you'll never be able to tell the difference. Put a few dots in there. Move my water over a little bit. Down, over, over, up, over, over. Doesn't matter which way that you go about doing it. And then you can also do it in here if you want. It just uplifts this design so much just by adding those little stars. And then if you wish, something I like to do on it is then I do dots straight down. So this is a little bit of a dot video too. And you can also do them along here like I did in the dot video. So you see, just by adding a few very simple little embellishments, you can really up your design a lot. And then feel free to add a few more up here. I need to wet my brush again. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit with consistency here today. But I don't erase these things because I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, and I don't want to make perfect as the example we want to try to live up to. We want to do our very best and have it look good. Good does not necessarily mean perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy your stars, and we will see you in the next video, number 6. Thank you. Have a great day.